This is a scale model of the iconic trams of Hong Kong, 100% handmade by us from scratch back in 1996 for the tram company to be sold as tourist souvenirs. It's an awesome green public transport system running on rails embedded into the tarmac with electricity from overhead lines drawn through a pantograph on its roof. This particular red tram is specially built for celebrating special occasions like weddings, birthdays, parties. The final product is the tram model enclosed inside a dust free acrylic box, everything tied together with a red ribbon, making it a very attractive Hong Kong tourist souvenir.